Okay, so I wanted to re-upload my video, but I wanted to make this disclaimer at the beginning before you watch it. So personally, I did not know about the Gabby situation before I made the original video. First of all, I don't know about you guys, but I don't sit on the internet all day and look up drama. I have school, I go to college full time, I have pretty much a full-time job. I'm working 35 plus hours a week. I am in my senior year of college, and I don't know about everybody else, but I have pandemic stress. I think everybody has that issue. And the amount of hate that I was getting on that video was incredibly wrong, and it wasn't at all directed towards Gabby. It was directed towards me. And I woke up with about 30 comments telling me that I was a terrible person, and that was wrong. So I'm disabling comments and likes on this video because I don't feel I deserve that. The other videos I saw had all these views, all these likes, and they were all positive. But me, somebody who has 20 subscribers, was getting hated on and told that I was a terrible person and all these terrible things. So before that, I wanted to say that. Also, I have now understood the situation, but I bought the perfume before everything happened. Also, I spent my money on the perfume with the intent of making a review, so that's what I'm doing. I don't support what Gabby did. I do see how wrong it was, and I 100% do not support it. I think she is a person who makes mistakes, and that's my opinion on it. If you choose to not support her, that's your choice. I bought the perfume before the situation happened. You can look up when the pre-order date was, because that's when I ordered it, and find out when the situation happened, which was the beginning of December. I bought it in November. So that's your opinion. You formulate your own opinions, but don't attack me. Thank you, and please enjoy my review. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm making a video that I'm super excited to make. I'm going to be reviewing the Gabby DiMartino Beautiful Mess perfume. This perfume I got with the pre-order, and I just got it 2 days ago, and I have been waiting to make this video because I haven't had time because I've been working and it's finals week, so I've been working on my finals, and I'm super excited to review this. So a little information about this perfume. It is 3.4 fluid ounces and it's $50, which I think is a really good deal because personally I love perfume, so I buy a lot of it. But like, if you think about it, the Victoria's Secret perfumes are 1.7 fluid ounce and you're paying $58. So 3.4 fluid ounces for $50 is a really good deal. Okay, so first things first, this is what it looks like. You got Gabby on the front. She's eating some cake. It says Beautiful Mess, Gabby DiMartino. And then we're gonna go ahead and read the back and see what we should be expecting it to smell like. So, sugar plum, vanilla musk, and sweet pistachio are the key ingredients in a beautiful mess. A fruity floral gourmet accord featuring a lavishly luxe combination of creamy macaroon dazzled in apple and peaches. Waltz into the land of sweets with a backdrop of cherry blossom and white jasmine. Let them be beautiful and messy in this incredible, delicious fragrance. Stay fancy, Gabby. That was right there what I just read, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick review. So, first things first, this is the bottle. Look at it, it's so cute. It says Gabby DiMartino Beautiful Mess. It's just very simple. I think it's a great size. It fits in your hand, and I love this. It reminds me of a little gumball. Okay, so if you hear anything in the background, that's my brother. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray it and see what it smells like. Okay, so it's super fruity, and I don't know, I smell like candy, like bubble gum. I'm guessing that's sugar plum though. And I do smell a lot of fruity scents. And it's not super strong that I'm like getting a headache from it, but it's a very sweet scent and also very fruity. But I think this is a scent that definitely could be worn any time of year. It's not super summery or super wintry. Also, for some reason, I was expecting it to be super cakey. Like, I thought it was gonna smell like maybe like a very vanilla scent, because anytime I see vanilla, I just assume it's gonna be a very vanilla scent. But I really like it. It does not smell like any perfume I've really ever smelled, but I really do like this. This might be one of my new go-to daily perfumes, and yeah, I think it's a 10 out of 10. I would buy this if I were you. even if you're not like a huge perfume person, I think that you would like this because it's something you could just throw on. It's a small size. I feel like you could throw it if you're in your purse if you would like to. But yeah, it's a very good scent. I 10 out of 10 recommend and would suggest you checking it out. Okay, so that's my video. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.